Hi guys, I'm Asnith, and today I am going to be bringing you another raw food recipe. Okay, so for today's recipe, I will be demonstrating how to make your very own mock tuna wrap. All right, so guys, this recipe is easy peasy lemon squeezy. And I know I say that about most of my recipes, but I only say that because they are. Okay, so let's dive in, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to make your very own, okay? So for this recipe, you want about 1 to 2 collard green leaves. Also, you want to have at least 1.5 cups of walnuts. So I soak 2 cups, but I'm only going to use 1.5 cups. And then you want to soak these for 4 hours, and then you want to rinse and drain them and set them aside. The next thing you will need is a 1/4 cup of red onions. Well, actually a little bit more than that, and you'll find out, as we get through the recipe. Also, 1/2 cup of tomatoes, 1/2 cup of mushrooms. For my wet ingredients, and I'm going to say almost fully wet ingredients, because the only thing that's kind of dry in that set is the cumin. You're going to need like 1.5 teaspoons of cumin, some soy sauce, some rice vinegar or apple cider vinegar, depending on which one you like most, and some olive oil, extra virgin if you could. All right, so for the collard green wrap, the first thing I like to do is take a little bit of this olive oil, and this is about 1/4 cup. You can do less, or more. I just kind of put this on to begin to soften my green before I even start my recipe. And the same thing, I use 1/4 cup of the olive oil. Same thing, not 1/4 cup, 1/4 teaspoon, guys. You don't want 1/4 cup, it will drain it. It will be too much for it, not drain it. All right, so you also want to add the rice vinegar. Once I do that, I want to begin to just massage it in. Massage it in very well. And so I have a green underneath, guys. It's like I waste a little bit of vinegar. I was like, ugh. So I have a green underneath, and so I'm just going to go ahead and use that one. And I'm going to set that aside. All right, let's just get the extra vinegar off of me, okay? So, all right, so moving on. I'm going to take my walnuts and I am going to dump them in. So I'm just measuring by eye. 1.5 cups. And then I'm going to dump in my red onions. I'm going to take the soy sauce and I'm going to measure out a teaspoon and a half. Or season this according to your taste buds. I always say that, but I just want you to keep that in mind. You want to season that according to your taste buds. And then also with the cumin, I just need to dry this off. You are going to measure out 1.5 teaspoons. I'm just going to do a teaspoon for this. But season this according to your taste buds. You can add more if you need to. Next thing I'm going to do is blend this in my food processor. So guys, this is going to be a little loud, so just mute if you need to. So as you can see, it doesn't take my food processor very long to begin to break it down. But I think I just want to process it for maybe another moment. So just give me one moment, guys. Get a spoon. So just want to process it for maybe one more moment. So it's going to rake around the top. It's like when you're doing it in real time, you will hope not to make any mistakes, but that doesn't seem to ever happen. Okay, so. All right, so we are done with that, guys. Just that quick and easy. And now I'm going to take my collard green wrap. Remember, I had two, so I'm just going to take one off my plate, kind of set it aside over here, and I'm going to lay this collard green wrap down. I'm going to rake out. Okay, so you can see it. Let's just neaten up just a little bit. All right, so I'm going to lay some of my mock tuna right on top. And guys, remember, this is like walnut. I know people eat meat and they put a lot on there. But anytime you're dealing with, you know, raw food, such like this walnut meat, you do not need a lot. A little goes a long way because it's actually very filling. Very, very, very filling. All right, so I have my walnut meat on here. I'm now going to add my mushrooms. And you guys, a lot of times I will marinate my mushrooms ahead of time. But I did not because there's already soy sauce in my mock tuna. I'm going to rake the tomatoes on there. And then remember, I put in just a little bit of extra red onion. I'm going to rake that on top. Now, I do like a little extra vinegar in my wrap. And so I will usually take some of the rice vinegar and put that on top. Also, if you like, you can use black pepper. Season this however you like, guys. Find out the way that you love it and then proceed, okay? Proceed. Okay, so now I'm going to take my wrap and I'm going to begin to close it. And as you can see, there's my wrap. So then I'm going to take a bite. Oh. Mm. Mm. All right, guys, I don't want to talk about food in my mouth, but I may have to. Mm. All right, so this is what I love about raw food. It is so easy to make and so filling. All right, so guys, I'm going to end it here. If you would add anything, let me know. If you would change anything, let me know. Until next time, have a great taste.